Well, hello everyone. How are you today? So, I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos or if you know what comes to me in something this color, but I have to be careful opening. Oh my goodness. This is Saturday. I think I ordered this Thursday. Oh, let me put my plastic scissors away. Okay. Who likes fabric pheromones? Huh? It had been a while. I mean, it had been a while. Fabric pheromones. So there's going to be another mystery quilt that starts. And when I saw my dealer put up her fabrics, I said, ooh, I'm going to get this before it sells out. She had a couple of Christmas ones. This one is actually kind of the darker tones of it. It tells me what fabric's for what. Oh, I love that fabric. Fabric 4 and fabric 5. Wow. There's going to be a lot of this color in here. There's some yardage here. That's pretty. I like all of these fabrics. So, very Christmas, very holiday, I should say, seasonal. But this is going to be it. And if you're interested in going on this next Mystery 5.0, find a 5.0 dealer near you. And, I just saw this kit and said, nope, it's mine. And I know she's got some more of them, but shh, don't tell anyone. Anyway, I hope you're having a great time. And I like fondling the new fabric, man, releasing the fabric pheromones. I'm instantly happy. What about you? Now, this has to sit patiently up on my shelf until November. I don't know if it's November 1st or November 5th, but it's not too far away. And I'm going to see what other projects I can get done before then. So until later, bye.